ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯏꯀꯨꯕꯣꯛꯁꯨ ꯏꯅꯦꯝꯕꯣꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯪꯉꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯈꯤꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯝꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯦ.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have come to visit one of the most inspiring stories, success stories that I've ever come across. We have come here to meet the mother of a 14-year-old girl who, despite being married and having a teenage daughter, has managed to secure 26th position in the merit list for the Manipur Public Service Commission exam 2022. So let's meet our heroine for the day. Good morning, Andis. How are you?
Good morning, Dakairung. Aibu sumaina unaba lakpibagi thagachari aduga aina nahandagi so hainingaga laine Dakairung na tawriba thabak dusu yamna matik chaba thaba amane angang macha mayam Manipur da army changningba mayam dubo kamaina tawdoino khangdabado Dakairung gi guardiansdefenceacademy duna lamjing biraga angang mayam ama changhangre success stories mayam ama leigre adugi damakta thagachari.
Thank you very much. Ado ngasi wari si aigi nate ngasi di wari
aina haizani uda hayomane
nangi wari tawgena lakpani ado akhoi ga phaminari se Andis ki husband, the smart and handsome Momo, and her daughter. What is your name?
Aigi ming Rupansi Hanjabam.
So Rupansi nang chahi kya sura?
Chahi 14 sura.
Okay, nice. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank
Happy
you.
family for such a great success. Aduga, now that you have cleared this ultimate goal of yours, how do you feel?
Nungai hai tawne nungai ba phawe adubu sina loibadi natri aigi punsida aim mayam ama leiri adu ngamna ba hona jage
Aina tabada nang IAS utharami and something happened there. What was that journey?
thai ai handak chahi interview pirui ba ko aduda kaino dagi list dagi lehoraba aise ma hum watpagi
Just mark home.
hoi.
So you said that you had missed out the IAS by 3 marks in the interview. Generally, see, miss out the mayam say it's a big heartbreak for many people. But you managed to soldier on and nangna MPS tharaga hoji 26 merit la hai. How did you adapt to the situation? How did you convince yourself to get this success? And what are your future plans?
Dakairung nam ko na hongna na ning sangale March ke date 6th ne ba exam haido ido aduda mark di haido 3 ba ko aduda aina as adugi numita thawai nuaite sengbai so kai gino da prelims le hobona mo khara pai mains le hobona mo khara pai interview yo raga le hobodo aingonda ka hatare adudi thawai nuaite adubu adugi nuaita badudi punsiga pulapna chawrang na yeng taragadi kaishunate na khalle aidi dum ninghanna ba leitana dum hotna ge na khalli hojeki MPSC gi yarak posi yam nungai ado ai mathang da su dum honaraga IAS ki exam gi su adum thage na khalle mathang da su ngamdre dana
Aduga family ama oina chatpada I saw that despite that you guys went all out and had a good time visiting all the karai koi re adam tam da Harupanshi
Khoi Delhi gi manung da khara koire aduga Chandigarh chatle Taj Mahal ji yengui yam phajai
aduna that is such a wonderful thing as a family makoina adugi setback oina lauda bida positive attitude da thoga loi ma koi thua ngai thola aga fresh mind da muk MPSC tharaga success pangini so mayam sisu yam agak pa mani haibedi Andis has been married. She has got a teenage daughter aduga mayam na magi stage se lakpada teenage daughter ga lakpada lari ka lemak thado ga yum da lemak focus tawraga laire aduga mayam se lemak masagi personal ambitions ignore tawe aina hangjarin se how did you keep your hopes alive nangna nangi dream mayam nangi achievement se phangna bagi kamaina nasa da motivate tawi adu mam da khara haibiro
aigi se isai thandagi hope natie aigi achoba responsibility aigi chanupi ama leidana aduda aina hotnadragadi mana kamaina hengwai chawar kanda hotnaning deino khallaga tawrini
good very nice aduga nangna home life I believe Manipur se married life se yam tough hoi ko no pi amagi damak thadi family ki commitment yum yingsan ba khochan ba lemak yaroga si ki commitment husband daughter in laws lemak se nang na kamaina work ka study ga nang kamaina balance tauki
aigi imung manungsu yamna phaba ikuboksu inemboksu aigi nupasu aigi chanupisu gyan yam tai aduna aingonda extra pressure di amta leite aduna thabak to tawraga loiraga adum asangma matamda adum like tawba adum phangi like tawba waraga amuk thabak tawe aduna aingondadi animak nungai bane hai tare
oh yam bhaje ado bayam da sumaina haining base akhoi gi koluk akhoi sagai gi marakta she is the fastest to make tea tastiest tea aduga hek unhaba lakpa matamda she always has time and a smile for all of us. So it's amazing what she has achieved. Akhoi da ingit bhok piram de mana ki ma kamaina, you know how she was preparing. It was towards the last when she was going for IAS. Mana approach sorak pada army ki way of interview kari no na khangi bani. Adi maram da khara hangjeningi. Hai bidi did your interaction with guardians help you a little bit? Hai bidi ketang idea pibi bra army way of interview ki damakta nangi IAS ta khara kana ki bra.
Hoi kanai da kairung no engon daga question hangak pada aina adu matam da khumbangam gi dabado adu khanda aina khallaga o sidi khumdaba yade ne na khallaga honagi
yam bhai adi akhoi gi Bhargav sir kan brigadier Bhargav mana su khara grill tawi bra
oh maga su wari sana gi ga
atai nangi preparation da nangna who do you want to give credit for your success hai bidi nangi haujibok nangna sida MPSC da 26 rank lak basa sigi nangi preparation da how you prepared for it who you want to give credit for your preparation adu khara hangjani
ai di aham bada samain taw exam se leibu khangam deba ko ai gi nupa na taw hai bane ma adu da aina hoda ge na khan gi bane adu ga credit ti mi ama khatang da pi badi yaroi loina mak ai gi nupa adegi ima ipa adegi ai gi kubok inembo yum da leiriba ai gi itei adegi ibai adegi iche inamma adegi aigi ipanupa adegi akhoigi nene mayam aigi akhoigi papa gi machanupi mayam loinamak yawe to khwaidagi maru oiba aigi hingbugi khwaidagi biggest excuse ai chanupi
very good very nice aduga anyway akhoi positive adum ngangi but there must be times nangi khara nangna mentally breakdown oirakpa haibudi success oigadra oirodra nasada doubt lakpa matam gasu khara thengna gi bra thengnaram gani mayam puna mak thengnai ko koi self doubt lakpa se adai matam da what kept you going haibudi nangondam kari motivation phangi ge kamaina nasada nangna motivate tawraga how did you keep pushing yourself to success madugi maram da khara haibi
wari me liraga khumba yagadra
yani libiyo
thaina kaino da nga se jaga madagi jaga ma pubada samudra da ka hatare tum nga se dum siraga leramba tenki da kamain taw sige na khan bada moina sum try di tawdaba aduga nongmadi hingaga leramba da manung da shark achawba ma yawra lerambe ba nga mayam to ko chelam ni hinge ko adu maine ni haijage
acha so you kept pushing yourself that mayam gi marak sida aishu success ama oidana mi ama oina I have to be financially and emotionally independent ama oina ba nang adugi line do pharaga dum honi very good
chumna chen bu budi huina tana chen man heli da
aduga nangi haurakpa gi maram da su khara khangningi hai budi your early background before marriage just give us some hint about that about your early life
akhoi gi papa do aina khangak pada private school gi oza oirame hojik pudi bazar da dukan phamba yawe ba gari gi part ki akhoi mama budi dum yum gi thaba honai aduga anga ani senai aiga ipanupa ga aduga akhoi gi da daw lei akhoi gi abok leirame hojik ti lei gidre akhoi da daw mama su lei gidre adu khatane na hagida
okay very nice aduga nang hojik merit list 26 la abdina most probably police MPSC changdori aduna are you ready for the tough grind ahead
ai di kashu wade man di nungai doi male
acha Shillong da I think it's a 1 year training that you'll have
ai so adugi maram da chap chap je khangde
okay so we wish you all the best for that
thank you
and congratulations to the happy family all the best aduga mathang passing out pare ta koi yaun over lagse ge so one question for the very handsome husband Momo nangna when your wife finally made it how did you feel what is your reaction to her success
gam nungai fawe nungai ba pauba dang sunatana warakhibu khoina ko katang pukning laita ba hagadra aduni fawe isada
ado nangna warakhiba haibase koina struggles thengnagi base sigi onamda khetang haibiu madi and this ti hayu yade aduna nangna khetang haibiu kari awaba thengnagi adu khara khoida aduga noibani manaraga as a family unit kamaina sigi awaba se mayok nagi kamaina success phangi khetang haibiu
awaba je dum kai haitare financially khar wa ba khot basul lay mentally katang kano tawbus lay ko do awabas dum wanungay hay dun hujiti pantung do yawbugum tawbani na ko do katang di kano tawre hay tare
yam pai aduga finally Rupanshi nangi aim kari no future da
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯝꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯈꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯗꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯪꯉꯒ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯞꯁꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ
Okay, thank you so much. And just finally, nangse inspiration ama oire to all the girls who are in your situation, who initially had given up on their dreams, due to family circumstance, due to life, but you kept persevering. So makoi mayam da nangna kari message piningi to all the young students and the girls especially, girl students especially, even those who are married. What advice would you like to give them? Kari hainingi khara last haibiyo.
Punsi sidi hingi gaidi hotna ba lepta bata bani natra. Ado sibu sire di loire ado hingi gaidi akoina apamba du da hotna ba hengwai ahanwara kanda ningam da laitana ba.
Okay. So that is short and sweet. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And congratulations again.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you, gentlemen, and all ladies, especially ladies. Here is an inspiration for you, and please look at her and watch her progress in life. All the best to all of you.